Welcome to Rug Cleaning Local, a reputable and family-owned business that has proudly served the areas of New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut since 1980. Our team of certified technicians is dedicated to providing exceptional care for your area rugs, carpets, and fabrics. Equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, RCL can effectively clean a variety of surfaces, from rugs, wall-to-wall carpets and upholstery to drapes and more. Our expertise extends to all types of rug cleaning and repair for all kinds of rugs including Oriental, Persian, wool, silk, to synthetic rugs. We specialize in various repairs such as color restoration, binding, fringing, reweaving, moth damage repair and prevention, regular wear and tear and so much more. Our goal is to provide you with exceptional service and ensure the safety and cleanliness of your rugs and fabrics. Schedule your free quote with RCL today and experience the expertise of our professional team. Let us give your rugs and fabrics the thorough cleaning they deserve.